Chongqing, China has been called a cyberpunk city due to its unique infrastructure and design. The city boasts multi-level roads and buildings adorned with colorful LED lights, which create a surreal, futuristic, and somewhat chaotic urban landscape. Although it has been as popular as other major cities like Beijing or Shanghai, the search results for travel to Chongqing have spiked recently due to a series of online videos going viral. Most notably, internet celebrity IShowSpeed recently showcased a 9-hour live stream of his visit to Chongqing that garnered millions of views. But what many social media influencers fail to tell you is where you can find all of these exciting and unique places that they've been posting about. If you are considering a visit to Chongqing, you'll need to watch this video to acclimate to the environment and to understand where everything is. We'll cover these places quickly, but there are links in the description to slower paced videos with more detailed information about each one. The first thing you should know is that Chongqing is huge. It's about the size of Austria. It's one of the biggest cities in China with over 32 million residents, but don't let that number scare you. All of this is Chongqing. Most of the popular tourist destinations exist here. It's a small peninsula that kind of looks like a flying duck. It's where the Yangtze and Jialing River converge. But if you're visiting for the first time, you'll want to fly to Zhengbei International Airport and travel south. This area is home to about 7 million residents, which is about 2 million less than New York City. Let's explore the best of Chongqing. Liziba Station. On the upper west side of the peninsula, you'll find Liziba Station. To the residents, it's just a train stop. But what makes it unique is that the train stop is located inside a residential apartment, and the train literally goes through the building. If you visit Liziba, make sure you visit the building as there are several stores and shops hidden inside. It's located on the side of a mountain that was used as a bunker during World War II. It has since been converted to accommodate small businesses and vendors. Make sure you add this stop to your itinerary. Eling Park. After you visit the Liziba station, make sure you go to the top of the mountain and visit Eling Park. Admission is free and the views are spectacular. When we went, they were building a walkway, so by the time this video is out, it should be complete. We climbed to the top of the tower to get a stunning 360-degree view of the city.
So this is the geographic location of Chongqing. You see there's one river over there on that side? Yeah, that's the Jialing River.
Okay.
And then this is the Changjiang River, right?
Okay.
And then actually the center is a peninsula. Yeah. And this is the earliest development of Chongqing.
And aside from the views, Eling Park also has so many beautiful and picturesque scenic areas.
I'm gonna run out of batteries because everywhere you look, this place has got some place that you want to take video of. It's incredible, it's so beautiful.
Liberation Monument in Haochu Street. Food places are generally everywhere, but if you like variety, make sure you find the Liberation Monument in the center of the peninsula, located in Zhefengmei, a big shopping mall and pedestrian street. It's a central location and just a short walk to Haochu Street, also known as Foodie Street. Here, you'll find a lively atmosphere and dozens of food vendors to choose from. Bring earplugs as the place tends to be quite loud with vendors shouting over loudspeakers to grab your attention. All I hear. Our group chose to go to the food court so we can grab a variety of dishes that we share together. Kuixinglou. Just north of Liberation Monument, you'll find Kuixinglou. This is just one of the many places that have gone viral on the internet. To get here, you'll have to travel on what you think is the ground level, but soon you'll find out that not everything is as it appears.
What the
Pika?
Because you're actually on the 22nd level. Hongyadong. East of Kuixinglou, you'll find the popular Hongyadong, also known as the Hongya Cave, at the northern side of the peninsula. You won't find any caves, but you'll find out why they call Chongqing the Cyber City. It's best to visit at night. The lights turn on at 7 o'clock p.m. sharp and turn off promptly at 9:30 p.m. I would recommend that you start your journey on the other side of the river and walk across the Chaotianmen Bridge. From the bridge, you'll be able to take great photos and feel immersed in the city. There are plenty of street vendors and restaurants to choose from. The place is lively and it's a popular place to take photos. I have a full 1-hour walking tour video that you can check out so you can get a better idea of what this place is actually like. Nanshan Park. Hopefully, you'll plan to spend more than one night in Chongqing. Save one of those nights to visit Nanshan Park. Seeing the lights light up at Hongyadong is a fun experience, but if you want to get a view of the entire city light up from above, then you need to visit Nanshan Park. Here you'll get a panoramic view of the Yuzhong Peninsula. Make sure you travel to the top of the tower to get the best views.
Just past 7 o'clock and the entire city just lit up. Look at that.
Oh, so cool.
It's so beautiful.
Subscribe. If you're finding this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe as it would really help us grow this channel. Chaotianmen Square and Raffles City. If you walked across the Chaotianmen Bridge, you may have noticed a strange building. This building is Raffles City and located at the tip of the peninsula at Chaotianmen Square. You can visit the Sky Bridge for incredible views of Chongqing or explore the shopping mall, which occupies the first 5 floors of the building. The ground level is Chaotianmen Square, where you can get views where the Yangtze River and Jialing River collide. Longmenhao Old Street and Xiahao Lane. From Raffles City, cross the Dongshimen Bridge to Longmenhao Old Street. The bridge has a train running on its bottom level, and you can take the train to the Liziba Station.
We are at the Shangshenjie. If you were to get off the metro station, which is right over my left shoulder, this is what you'll see.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to the old town here. So there's a strip.
You'll want to explore Xiahao Lane, but be warned, bring comfortable shoes. The entire area is on the side of a sloping mountain, and many of the stairs are uneven.
Watch your step.
Like for real. And all the stairs are different heights, so you really gotta watch your step up, like that.
It has an old world charm and feel with modern day stores and multiple food vendors.
Everything tastes like a hot pot.
Navigating a maze with constant changes in elevation can be difficult, but it was part of the fun. Dazu rock carvings. I strongly recommend you take a day trip to the Dazu rock carvings. It's a preserved area where rock carvings created as early as 700 AD. It's about an hour away by car, but the area is rich in history and is even classified as a World Heritage Site.
This is also a stone carving. The Buddha is not part of the building. Building is just a gate that's in front of this carving.
There's so much more that Chongqing has to offer, but these are the most popular tourist destinations. If you want to see extended videos of any of these locations, I have links in the description for long-form content of each of the places mentioned here. We have more places to explore, so please subscribe and help our channel grow. Thank you for enjoying a slow morning with us.